Okay, in previous lecture I have told you that the practice problem to solve the practice problem 12.2, we have two we have to find out two things. First of all, the line voltage. Second is the line currents. What is the line voltages? The line voltages uh, are the voltages line to line. That means the voltage difference between two phases. Okay, and the line currents means that the current that goes through to the line. And in the first lecture I have find out zy by a simple equation, uh, by adding up three impedances, zg the impedance of the generator, z capital L, that means the impedance per phase of the load, and z smaller l, that means the impedance per phase in a single line. So these three impedances will be adding up, and then after that, when we find out these things, we will easily get our result. So here we can see, if we adding up the three things, we can easily find out the zy. The zy will be 25 plus, you can calculate it, 25 plus Z20 ohms. Okay, so this is gonna be the Y impedance load. Now here you can see VAN. So finding out the line current, it's easy. As you know, the line current is, if it is IAN, first line current, so you can write it like this, that will be the VAN divided by the Z in Y connection. Okay, so VAN is 120 degree, 30 degree. Okay, so just put the value here, 120, 30, and now just divided by this ZY. If you calculate this equation, you have to make it phasor to calculate it easier. And as we know that using this calculator we can calculate it, we can easily calculate this. Okay, now see, okay, so coming back to the point, after calculation we will get the phasor form of this. So just we have to divide it here, 25 plus J20. You can convert it to the phasor form and then calculate it, and you will find out the line current. After getting the first line current, that is now pretty much easier for you to calculate the another line currents. The IBN will be, as it is positive sequence, so IBN will be IAN, the angle will be minus 120. That means whatever you get in this equation, whatever you get the angle, if you just minus 120, you just give this minus 120, you can get IBN. And ICN, that can be 240, that can be plus 120. As it is positive sequence, so we can say IAN, the value of the magnitude is pretty much similar to the previous. You have to just adding up these things. Okay, just adding up these things, thus you can find out this. Okay, so after dividing these two, you will get 3.75, and the angle will be 3.75, and the angle will be minus 8.67. 6 degrees. Okay, this thing. After getting this thing, you have to just put minus 120 degree apart, so you will get 3.75 minus 128.66, that means the B sequence, and just plus 120 minus 8.6, that means 111.34. just angle changes, the magnitude of the current will be similar to that. That is the line current. That is pretty much similar to the previous mathematics. Okay, now coming back to the point of the line voltages, that how you could find out the line voltages. As you know, the VAN, and that is the positive sequence, find out the other VCN, VBN apart and then calculate it. Okay, that how you could calculate. Now I will make it easier for you to find out the line voltages. Okay, first of all, no, line voltage means VAB, that means the voltage difference between two phases. If it is a Y connection, as I have told you earlier, so every voltage is 120 degree apart, and that is a VAN. Okay, that is VAN, and if another phase comes from there, so that will be VBN. So finding out VAB, that means VAN minus VBN. It's pretty much similar. This law and equation is pretty much important, finding out the line voltage. VAB means VAN minus VBN. Okay, now you can calculate it. As it is a balanced three-phase system, so you can find out another thing that we have learnt it from earlier equation. Just go beyond. As you can see, that is the line voltage VL is equal to root 3 VP, that is root 3 times the magnitude of the phase voltage. So we can apply this equation to find out the line voltage. Okay, now come to the point and the main mathematics to solve this. Okay, that has been done, almost done. We are on the right track to solve this mathematics. Just the line voltage. So 120 degree is the VP, that means the phase voltage. Now you have to find out the VL. VL will be root 3 VP. Just multiply these things, root 3 into 120 degree. So root 3 into, pretty much easy mathematics, 120 degree. Just calculate it. You can find out the voltage, that will be 207.8 volt. 207.8 volt. Okay, now what will be the VP? We will first of all find out the VL. Now we can write the three line voltages. VAB, the PP will be same, the VL will be same. First of all, it will be the VL, and they are 30 degree apart. Is it right or wrong? That is right. So 30 degree plus 30 degree. As you can see, that is VAN is 120 and 30 degree apart, and we know the